South Africa, with its growing population and urbanization, presents a promising opportunity for entrepreneurs interested in the waste management industry. One profitable niche within this sector is rubble removal. In this article, we will outline the key steps to start a rubble removal business in South Africa, including market research, legal requirements, equipment considerations, and marketing strategies. Step 1. Market research. Before diving into any business venture, conducting thorough market research is essential. Evaluate the demand for rubble removal services in your target area. Identify potential competitors, their pricing structures, and the types of services they offer. Assess the needs of construction companies, homeowners, and businesses that generate rubble. This research will help you identify your unique selling points and develop a competitive pricing strategy. Step 2. Legal requirements and regulations. Complying with legal requirements and regulations is crucial for a successful rubble removal business. Consider the following key aspects. Business registration. Register your business with the Companies and Intellectual Property Commission, CIPC, or as a sole proprietor with the South African Revenue Service, SARS. Permits and licenses. Contact your local municipality to inquire about the necessary permits and licenses required for rubble removal operations. Obtain any specific certifications, such as a waste management license. Waste disposal. Familiarize yourself with waste disposal regulations, including guidelines for hazardous materials, recycling, and landfill disposal. Establish partnerships with licensed waste disposal facilities. Health and safety. Ensure compliance with health and safety regulations, including proper waste handling and disposal procedures. Train your staff on safety protocols and provide them with personal protective equipment. Step 3. Equipment and resources. Investing in the right equipment is vital for efficient rubble removal operations. Consider the following equipment and resources. Vehicles. Purchase or lease reliable trucks or trailers suitable for rubble transportation. The size and capacity of the vehicles should align with the volume of rubble you anticipate handling. Tools and equipment. Acquire essential tools such as shovels, wheelbarrows, brooms, rakes, and safety equipment like gloves and dust masks. Recycling facilities. Establish relationships with recycling facilities in your area. This will allow you to separate recyclable materials from the rubble and contribute to environmental sustainability. Workforce. Hire and train a competent team to handle rubble removal tasks. Ensure they are well versed in waste management practices, customer service, and equipment operation. Step 4. Marketing and promotion. Effectively marketing your rubble removal business will help you establish a strong presence and attract customers. Consider the following strategies. Website and online presence. Develop a professional website that showcases your services, pricing, and contact information. Utilize social media platforms and online directories to expand your reach. Local advertising. Advertise in local newspapers, community notice boards, and relevant industry publications. Distribute flyers or brochures in targeted areas, such as construction sites or neighborhoods with ongoing renovation projects. Referral programs. Offer incentives for customer referrals to encourage word-of-mouth marketing. Establish partnerships with construction companies, real estate agents, and property managers who may require your services on a regular basis. Excellent customer service. Provide prompt and reliable service, ensuring customer satisfaction. Positive reviews and testimonials will enhance your reputation and generate repeat business. Starting a rubble removal business in South Africa requires careful planning, adherence to legal regulations, and effective marketing strategies. Conduct comprehensive market research, obtain the necessary permits and licenses, invest in suitable equipment, and develop a strong online and offline presence. By delivering high-quality service and prioritizing customer satisfaction, your rubble removal business can thrive in South Africa's growing waste management sector.